What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about GME, GameStop, AMC Entertainment Holdings, and also Bed Bath & Beyond, a total meme stock package for you guys in this video. And now let's get right into GME, which was up today 35%, $6.32. Now this thing here, guys, this is a massive trade I took on GME. Went over 250 to 300% today. Massive move. And this thing paid actually a lot of money, more than 16 grand on GME. Now I'm going to show you guys what happens in my Patreon, and when you join, what exactly you get. And you can also support the channel. I'll leave a link down below in the description. And this is not only the trade I took today, especially on Triple Q at the end. Jerome Powell came out double dipping on Triple Q at 314 and selling out for a massive profit. But I'm going to show you just one GME here, what I did and how I do early in the morning before even trading starts at 9:30 a.m. Now GME, since the earnings yesterday, I was eyeing to short GME early in the morning, and look at this, 7:28 a.m. and this trade I took live in my Discord. So if you look at my screen, it says we'll be shorting at opening $20 puts strike for March 24th. Now I did not get 20, ended up getting 22 because it was cheap, 40 cents, and those things went through the roof. From 40 cents to $1.40, guys. A massive day here on GME. You can see 300 plus percent here on GME. Yes, I did not get 300%, but definitely got more than 200% on GME on my runners. And the first batch I sold, it was 100%. So massive day on GME. And why you can also take those trades, I'm going to show you guys with GME chart. So a few days ago, we had earnings on Foot Locker, and it was same thing. And you can do the same thing. Or like I said, you can support the channel, you can join, you can get all my trade ideas, my swing trade ideas, and live trading 3 days a week. So if you guys remember, a few days ago, we saw Foot Locker going up early in the morning. Unfortunately, because of the spread, I could not get in on Foot Locker. But it was also trading above upper Bollinger Band. Well above the Bollinger Band. And look at this one here, GME today. So, there is no way this thing will jump even higher. I don't see it going above 30. And look at this, we opened at 2670 and I got puts right there. Now, options did not adjust for maybe about a minute or two. I only got 10 and I got 10 for $1. And then those went down within a minute to 40 cents. And look at this move from 27 down to 23. You can look up. Those are still up for Friday. I think they're still up to 87 to 90 cents. So that was a massive move. Now, this thing here, it's not only the earnings. You know that whenever there is a big pop on GME, obviously with some good earnings, there is a massive short squeeze. Now, is it going to come down more? I'm not in this stock anymore. I sold for a profit. That was just a day trade. But you can do the same thing. Like whenever you see something like this, but the setup has to be like this, where upper Bollinger Band actually was sitting down here, guys, at 20. And from Friday, this thing here, upper Bollinger Band sitting at 20, and the stock ran up to 27, 28. Early in the morning, I think it was at 28. It will come down. It will retrace this Bollinger Band. Same thing happened with Foot Locker, from 47 down to 39. And that one I just couldn't get in. Now this one I caught and I made money. But whenever you see a setup like this, you can take a nice trade. But always, if you do that, I had my stop. Soon as this thing dropped, I got to stop at break even. But if this thing was going up, I would put a stop at 20%. Worst case scenario, 30%. So make sure you manage your risk whenever you trade something like this. Now going into tomorrow on GME, there is no support until we get down to 22. And that could be coming. And look at this massive gap. So there is more downside. Yes, in the short term, we could see a jump up to 28. But that is it for now. GME here, if you're looking to buy the dip, I would say wait for this gap fill down here at 1835. Now also a few days ago, we were talking about GME getting in here at 15. I never got in, but some of my Patreon members, they got in here on GME, and that was a good trade from 15. I'm not encouraging anyone to hold through the earnings because you never know what's going to happen with these stocks like GME and AMC. But that was huge. That was, I think, more than 1,000% on GME. Anybody who took any calls down here. And they were just holding through this earnings. They should be up a ton even right now. So going into tomorrow on GME, $22 will be a support aligned with this upper Bollinger Band. We're still disconnected from this upper Bollinger Band. So keep that in mind. We could be coming down to 22 early as tomorrow. And if that gives up, a drop down to 20, very possible here on GME, red line 50 SMA, and then down here at 1835. $22 can hold. We could see a push back up here on GME, back up to 25, and then watch out for $28. And now we're going to look at AMC. So AMC actually gave away all the gains, and if you're shorting, you did the right thing because look at this. It's down 1.59% on the day, and looks like with the split and all the other news here on AMC, it's not looking that great, and this could be a bear flag on AMC, and if that plays out, we could be taking out this low down here at $3.77. Now these stocks, you never know what's going to happen. Tomorrow, this thing could be up to $6, and now it's down to $4. So that is the risk we take whenever we buy something like AMC, GME, Bed Bath & Beyond, Mullen stock. Those are risky assets, and if you're buying these, the risk. So make sure you do your own research, but we do that. We buy these stocks for a reason because look at GME today. Massive pump, right? Even this one was pumping all the way up to 475. So that is why we buy it, but I would not say go long term here on AMC, GME, and Bed Bath & Beyond. No, I got some shares of Bed Bath & Beyond, and currently it's down. So those are not, something you should go long term. Yes, you can do a swing trade, but do not end up holding long term. We could see a quick jump, some short covering on any good news, and that is why we all trade AMC, GME, and all these meme stocks out there. So on AMC, if you look at my screen, we do have a strong support around $4. Below that, we could be retesting the lows, $3.77, and possibly going down to even $3.46. Now, if you look at my screen, it's holding $4.32 to 30 cents. Blue line 5 SMA as a support, also could be forming a bear flag, but that needs to hold $4.32 right here. And if that holds, we could see a move back up to 5. And once we break $5, then watch out for $5.49 on AMC. And then, of course, more upside all the way up to $6.49 up here. Now, AMC here, guys, definitely this time, yes, we could be taking out this low down here. So if you're getting in here on AMC, make sure you have your stop right here at $3.77, because as soon as this thing takes out this low, we're going down more, possibly down to $3.46, and then who knows, maybe even $3. And now we're going to look at BBBY. So Bed Bath & Beyond once again down to 80 cents, down 2.5%. Now if you look at my screen, this stock here needs to get above $1.27, or this thing can go down a bit more. I added some shares at 95 cents, and now I'm not even adding any more until I see a bounce above $1.27. Now this is also another risky stock. So if you're buying, make sure you do your own research. Put a stop, I would say right here, right around 70 cents, because if this thing takes out 70 cents, there's going to be more downside on Bed Bath & Beyond. Now to the upside, if you look at my screen, once again today, 90 cents, blue line 5 SMA, acting as a resistance right here. If that breaks, Bed Bath & Beyond possibly will fill the gap at $1, and above that, it's going to look more bullish. If we can take out $1.27 and that holds as a support on Bed Bath & Beyond, I mean, it happened before and we saw a move all the way up to $7. As of right now, Bed Bath & Beyond holding lower Bollinger Band as a support, which is sitting around 75 to 76 cents. And that needs to hold. Also, it needs to break 90 cents, a dollar, and then possibly get over $1.27. That would look more bullish. Also above white line 20 SMA. And then we could see a push all the way up to $1.75 to even $2. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated.